Click on the subscribe button and press the bell.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel free hacking tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to record the screen on your Windows computer using VLC Media Player. So let's begin the tutorial. So there are lots of free and paid screen recording software available in internet, but in this video I'll show you how to record your computer screen using the popular video player, that is VLC Media Player. So first open VLC Media Player and click here on the media option and click on open capture device. Now on the capture mode, click on drop down and select desktop, and now press on play button, and now click on view and select this option, advanced control. Now you can see here recording option, so click here to record the screen activities. So you can see here on my screen it's showing my desktop screen. So to record the desktop screen activities, minimize media player. Now let's do some activities to record using VLC. So if you have not installed VLC Media Player into your system, then you can download it from this website videoland.org, and you can use this player in any of this operating system, Windows or Mac OS, and Linux or Android operating system also you can use, and iOS also. So download and install it first if you have not downloaded first. So let's close this browser. Now let's stop the recording. Now to stop the recording, just press on this red button and close this player. Now to view the recorded file which is saved in under the file explorer, go to videos. Now here you will see your saved video file. So let's see it's recording. So this is the recorded video. So you can see here the screen activities is recorded in my Windows using VLC Media Player. So this is how you can use VLC Media Player to record screen activities in Windows computer. So if you are finding this video information useful for you, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. And thanks for watching my video.